What's up, guys? I don't know if you can tell. Let's see. Out here in California, or my particular area where we're at, got a bit of a windstorm. I was a bit worried because I got that hummingbird nest chilling right there in that branch. That one right there. And it gets moving pretty dang good. Beep! So I was a little worried that she wouldn't be there anymore. But she's still there, I just checked. So, got a pomegranate tree. Planted this one a while ago. Looks like it's growing pretty strong. Here's some, I don't remember what it's called right now. Oh, it's like, that one. I'm not even gonna attempt to pronounce it. I need to get it in the ground. But it is one that's supposed to be quite lovely for the hummingbird. Let's see. Oh, I put those in there. See, I planted something, a bunch of seeds in here. Oh, foxglove. This should all turn into foxglove. Another one that they like. Here's my, dead, but somehow still surviving. I just see it's all, scraggly here. I need to do some more research. It's been a while since I actually researched plants. I'm kind of a green thumb kind of guy. I like my flowers, you know. Either way, that's some salvia there. Sage, salvia sage. Purple kind. Over here, that was with the house when we moved in, are the red ones, and they're kind of growing through all that. I don't think, and I looked and I didn't see anything about them liking jasmine, but I got a big old wall of jasmine here. It smells beautiful. So, there's a few in here. Time to water, it's a little dry. Yeah. Over here is another one that I'd planted that's kind of still got green leaves on it. Hasn't decided to die yet, but it's still going. And then I got rose bushes everywhere, and cactuses, and some other things growing. But yeah, just figured I'd show y'all. Tell you, I was a little worried about her, but she seems to be doing pretty good. And here's some repurposed pallets. We repurposed these pallets into front yard gardening. Those are potatoes, tomatoes. In here we've got onions and more potatoes and a fresh start one. Yep. And so that note, I'll let you guys go so I can upload this video. Hoping this year pomegranates stick. This thing's been the last, 3 years ago it had a scattered amount. It was also about this tall. Last year it was about this tall. This year it's almost as tall as me, and it looks like it's got a lot more. But what sucked was that it grew all these things, these soon to be pomegranates, but they never quite developed into pomegranates. They all just kind of fell off. So another thing I need to research. Eventually, when I got some more time, I'm gonna get me another gardening book whenever I get some better funds in my life, because right now money? What's that? I've never seen it before. I work for it, but it never shows up. It just kind of says peekaboo, and then it's gone. But I don't know. Either way. Either fucking way. Life's going strong. Life's a pain in my fucking ass, but I'm still fighting. Yes. Through the tough times, you'll always find a smile on Bob's face. Well, I think that's why a lot of people think I'm fucking nuts. They're like, how the fuck are you so happy, man? Like, fuck, man. Your shit's fucked up, dude. Why are you so fucking happy? And I'm like, cause I'm here. And no matter how many times life kicks me in the balls and the teeth and my fucking asshole, I'm gonna still get up, I'm gonna spit in her fucking face, and I'm gonna tell her to do it again. So, anyways, we'll see y'all around. You never know what's in store with the Bob. I mean, shit, I never know what's in store with the Bob. That's why he's 5150 the Bob.